me, Leila again, and we are making German chocolate cake. German chocolate cake. Hey, I always say it like that. First, we're gonna need to preheat the oven at 350. First, we're gonna press bake 350. And next, we're gonna need a big bowl. Like that. What the heck? Next, we're gonna make 3 eggs. What the heck? More 3 eggs. That was Leila magic. Well, next, we're gonna need a cup that is filled with water. What the heck? I was not supposed to say what the heck, because I already understand my magic. Yeah. 2 teaspoons of melted butter. It's not melted, so I'm gonna melt it in the microwave for a while. Let's put this inside. Let's wait for a while. Let's see. See? This is how a microwave works. If you're an adult, then you're not supposed to go to school. If you are, then you're supposed to. If you're a cat, then you're not supposed to go to work or school. And like, look at my kid. He's trying to stick his hand in. Okay. Oh, hot. Enter contains a pink coconut. That's my into small bowl. Stir 3/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of melted butter into small bowl with ingredient powder. Stir until pecan coconut pulp mixture thickens and set aside. Fast mix in a bowl. Looks like dirt. Stir an egg. Oh, a little bit is there. Ew. Got it. Inside. Ew, the yolk. Ew. Good. Into a big pan.
Here, I'm gonna help you lift the bowl so you can scoop it in there.
Spread it out for my mama because she is hungry for it. She's hungry for it. Let's put it inside the oven. So let's grab it. Open it.
Here, let me do it so you don't burn yourself, okay?
Now I'll close it.
All right, go ahead, close it.
Now wait. Now we wait to 20 to 30 minutes. Get some from me when I make cakes. She's a little good girl. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. Give me some frosting.
Yeah, what is that? Rich and creamy frosting.
Let's put this inside. Let's put this on top of that. And remember, knives are not for kids. but just my daddy will let me.
And it's a butter knife.
It's a butter knife. Flat it. Ooh, that was a violent cat. And I bet he's a bad boy because he was almost gonna knock that boo over trying to face that box because he loves jelly and he loves peanut butter and juice. But he was trying to stop him from watching me and the video.
So, anyways, he ran away.
Yes, he ran away. This. Ooh. You're still watching me. You're still watching my fam. Bling, 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 bling. Bling, 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 bling. Have you heard about the song? And it was so funny. And like it goes, and the dance could go like, and the song goes. La la la, like that. I always watch that.
All right, I'll put it in the video when you say that.
And then the girl was like mad at the boy when he come to look at her when the girls saw him. Yeah. And the boy left his dad because like he was so mean to the boy because he yelled at him for no reason, I think. Daddy, why was the boy leaving his dad?
Because
Because what?
the video was a metaphor for art.
But
The boy was an offering.
Why?
I don't know.
What does offering mean?
To appease the gods.
You don't know.
I don't know that. That's just my perspective. That's my take on the video.
Check on the video to the songs. Put on the songs for the video. If you haven't watched it, then you should better.
I'll put the music in the background of your video.
And put in the video background of it. Put in the video behind the background of the scene. Okay? Okay, Papa? Okay.
Okay.
That's me. That's all the time we had for today. And make sure you subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Here, I'm going to slice a piece for you. Okay. And Daddy, you do the honors of grabbing the cake.
Okay, baby. Hold on, wait.
Get the cake part.
There we go.
Yum, yum, yum.
And that's for your friends at YouTube.
That's for me. Bye. Eat some. Ah.